Changing your primary bank on Play.ht is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your banking information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Play.ht website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to enter. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to view your current banking details. Step 4. Update bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new bank details are now your primary payment method. Once you've completed these steps, your primary bank on Play.ht will be updated. Always double check your information for accuracy to prevent any payment issues in the future.